Hi there. So in this video, I want to play with Ekapada, one-legged. Right? Several of the variations that I showed in the practice card for Pincha Mayurasana can be modified with one leg. And once you do that, when you take one limb out of the equation, it challenges the pose. It changes things. Kind of obvious, but yes, it does. So just to demonstrate, you can do Ekapada in the Admukha Svanasana variation. Okay, so you pick an arm position, hand position. I'll show palms up for this one. And then come up into this position. And then from here, you raise one leg up. Okay? Can you raise the leg up, keeping a semblance of levelness to the pelvis, and at the same time, working to lift the shoulders evenly? So notice if the weight shifts side to side in terms of the pelvis and also in terms of the shoulders. Now, in the same way that you can do that one-legged variation in like this downward dog presentation, you can also do one-legged when you're working in the Ardha Pincha Mayurasana. Right? So in the last video, or one of the other videos there, I showed you how to get this measurement. You lift up, okay? And then from here, you come up into Ardha Pincha Mayurasana and open your shoulders, right? And then from here, you would raise one leg up. Okay, the challenge with this is not to throw the leg all around, but can you determine what is actually straight? And if you want to even challenge yourself further, I would come to the tips of the toes on that down leg. And then back to the wall, and push back, and then lift up with the second side. Okay, and again, tips of the toes, and back, and then down you come. So a challenging way, a fun way to play around with some of those Pincha Mayurasana variations. Try them out, see what you like, see what you don't like, see what's effective for you. And if you care to share, I would love to know, okay? Namaste and happy practicing.